Hey Queen, sorry to disturb your tutorial, but I want to let you know that I'm Shanice, the founder of Ethnic Earring, and right now on our website, www.ethicearring.com, we've got some new earrings for the month of January, and they're only $5. Normally, most of our earrings are only $10 a pair, which is still a great deal, but these are going to be only $5. And so I wanted you guys to have a first look at some of our newest earrings for the month of January. So take a look at these beautiful earrings.